How do I reset the traction control light in my car?
Hello? Have you recently noticed that the traction control light on your car's dashboard won't turn off? This could be a sign that there is an issue with your vehicle's traction control system. But don't worry, in this video, we'll guide you through the steps on how to reset the traction control light in your car.
What is traction control?
Traction control is a safety feature found in nearly all modern cars. It helps to prevent the wheels from spinning on slippery surfaces by automatically reducing power or applying brakes to specific wheels. The traction control light turns on when the system detects a lack of grip or traction. Sometimes, this light can stay on due to a minor glitch, which is why resetting it could solve the issue.
How to reset the traction control light?
Before we start, please remember that safety is always the priority. Do these steps only when the car is parked in a safe place. 1. Turn off the car's ignition. Start by turning off your car's ignition and waiting for a few minutes. This could potentially reset the car's computer system and turn off the traction control light. 2. Restart the car. After waiting for a few minutes, restart your car. Check the dashboard to see if the traction control light has turned off. If it hasn't, proceed to the next step. 3. Check the traction control button. Most cars have a traction control button. It usually has a symbol of a car with squiggly lines behind it. Press this button to turn the traction control system on and off. 4. Use a diagnostic scanner. If the light is still on, you might need a diagnostic scanner to reset it. This device can read the car's computer system and detect any issues. After connecting the scanner to the car, select the Erase Codes or Reset option.
When should you seek professional help?
Always remember that if the traction control light continues to stay on after following these steps, it is strongly recommended to seek professional help. It could be an indication of a more serious issue with your car's traction control system that requires professional diagnosis and repair. We hope this guide helps you in resetting the traction control light in your car. Remember to always take your vehicle's warning lights seriously, and if in doubt, consult a professional. Drive safely, and have a great day.